So you're learning English and you understand everything. English shows, songs, memes, Netflix shows, movies, everything. But when it's time to speak, you freeze like a deer in headlights. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you why this happens and how you can fix it. So grab your coffee or any snacks, get comfy, and let's go. The real problem. The biggest problem that English learners are facing at the present moment is they understand English but they cannot speak. You have got passive skills. You watch YouTube in English, you watch movies in English, you read captions, Instagram captions in English, you sometimes even think in English, but when someone says hi to you, your brain goes like complete shutdown. That's what I call passive fluency trap. You know the language, but you don't know how to use it in real life. Why it happens? Let's basically break it down why it actually happens. The first one is fear of mistakes. You are literally scared of sounding silly. You think, what if I say something wrong? What if they laugh at my accent? Let me tell you, native speakers do make mistakes. You are aware of that, okay? And your goal shouldn't be perfection. Your goal should be communication. Do you know what? You're human. Humans are allowed to make mistakes. Okay, if you're making mistakes, that means you're making progress. If you're not making any mistakes, that means you're having no progress. So never be afraid of making mistakes. Make mistakes, laugh at them, fix them, okay? The second one is too much studying but not enough speaking. You have been memorizing long list of words and grammar rules. You have been taking tests as well, but you haven't spoken English out loud. You know what? Fluency comes from speaking, not reading or studying. You have to keep that thing in your mind. So keep practice speaking, okay? You have to speak in order to get fluent and sound natural in English. The third one is no one to practice with. Not everyone has an English native speaking friend, so you wait and wait and wait. And guess what? You stay stuck forever. So what to do instead? Let's see how we can fix all the problems. The first one is talk to yourself. Yes, really, do that. Narrate your day. I am making coffee or I am making a tea. I am so tired, I'm very tired, I want to sleep. What am I doing right now? What was the thing? I cannot remember that movie name. You can say multiple things to yourself, anything. If you're doing something, you're studying, narrate whatever you are studying, your topics or anything. Take any topic and talk. Just talk. I want you to just talk by looking at yourself in the mirror. The best ever method. I do this because my parents didn't know English, my friends didn't know English, so that's what I used to do. And now I'm enough fluent to speak English confidently. That's it. Use phrases, not just solo words. Do not memorize just words. Learn phrases or make sentences out of the words that you have memorized. Like, you learned coffee today. So do not just be like COFFE, coffee. Coffee is a beverage or drink. No, not like that. Make sentence out of it. I love coffee. Without coffee, I'm nothing. Like this. Learning in chunks would help you to speak faster and more naturally. So keep that in your mind. Watch, pause, and repeat. Watch any of your favorite YouTubers vlog or, movie, show, or anything. What you're gonna do is pick a line, pause it. What you're gonna do is copy the tone, rhythm, and attitude, even the accent of that person who is saying that. And what you'll do, you'll copy and repeat that sentence. Yes, what do we call this? We call this shadowing, the best ever method on this universe. Record yourself. Yes. Pick any topic, talk about it for approximately 1 or 2 minutes, and record yourself. Then review it and see what are the pronunciation or grammar mistakes that you have made and try to fix them, and the next time you'll be speaking and record yourself. Keep on recording yourself, okay? This way you'll be able to see a fast progress. Use social media to your advantage. Follow fun English creators on Instagram. You can follow YouTubers who speak real life English on YouTube. You can subscribe to them and Comment in English. This one is the most important. Comment and interact with them in English in the comment section. You can even join their live videos that they upload on YouTube, sometimes on Facebook as well. Interact with the people who are commenting in English. Make English a part of your daily scroll on social media. You have to watch every single thing on social media in English. That's the way out. Trust me. So, the biggest problem isn't your grammar, accent, or vocabulary. The biggest problem is lack of confidence and practice. And guess what? You can fix both of them. Talk more, care less, and make English a part of your real life, not just textbooks. You have got this, and don't forget to like this video and comment the biggest problem that you are facing. Let's see if I'll be able to solve that. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more lazy English genius tips. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.